Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to calculate number of hours worked in Excel. So currently, as you can see, we have our employees data table, and in here we have employees and the time they started to work and the time they ended their work. And using this we are going to be figuring out the hours they worked, and we are definitely going to be using a formula for that purpose. Now before we get started, there is a really crucial step that needs to be done. We need to set the column of time started to time. Similarly, for the time they ended, to time as well. To do so, you need to select the entire data set and right click on your mouse, and from there to format cells. In here, make sure it is set to time, and also you can select this particular sample from the type option. Click on OK and do the same for ended as well. And once you're done, you need to format the hours worked as well. Select the entire group of cells, right click and format cells. In here, make sure it is also set to the time and the type is set to the last one. Click on OK, and now we are ready to type in here our formula. Click on first cell, and the formula is going to be is equal to the time they ended their work minus the time they started their work. So it's pretty simple, right? Press enter on your keyboard and voila, here we can see that the hours they worked is now calculated. Now if you want to do the same for the rest of the cells, simply drag all the way to the bottom and you can see the number of hours our employees worked. So that's a really nice and simple way to calculate the employees worked hours. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.